if you want to add or change your display screen on BibleShow, it's pretty simple. In this video, I'm going to show you how you can do exactly that. If this video helps, please like and subscribe to this channel. Alright, so as you can see, I have here scriptures being displayed here on the monitor. So I'll show you how I was able to add another screen where this scripture is being displayed. So to do this, we need to go ahead and add a screen or even a monitor if you're using the monitor. First, the displays must be on the same network such that you can easily select them. So once you have connected the screen or the projector, say using maybe HDMI cable or VGA cable, you need to go ahead and click on configure here and then go to Windows or BibleShow display. Currently, you can see where my scriptures are being displayed. I currently have this screen and I have another display. The one with this color is where the scriptures are being displayed, and that is monitor 2. So I have two monitors connected to my system. You can go ahead and choose. I can choose by switching between the two here. So for your case, you need to just go ahead and click on this and you'll be able to see all the screens or monitors that you connected. And now from here, choose the one you want to display. And as you can see, I can display even on this. So if you have any other question, kindly let me know in the comment section. Otherwise, thanks for watching and let's meet in the next video.